Hey Dan, this is Paul Heck with Grassfire. Just wanted to give you a quick video showing you, what it would take to put your website to the top, how long that could take to get there, and just, kind of in general what your competition's looking like, some things that we're going to need to do. The three things that Google looks for you to do on your website to get it to rank higher, to push it, because they're trying to rank you as who's the authority in carpet cleaning and janitorial services in this area. So they are looking for content, number one, and that content needs to be keyword rich. And so we'll look at some of those keywords in a moment. It needs to be 1,500 words minimum of content, because that's telling Google like, hey, they're putting enough information out here to try to educate their clients. The next thing that you have to do is backlinks. So these are other websites from the outside that are linking to yours, and they need to be relevant, industry relevant backlinks. They will connect linking to some anchor text, which would be one of those keywords. So for instance, carpet cleaning, Rogers, Arkansas. And then the third thing is citations. So this is your name, address, and phone number listed on as many online directories as possible. These are your yellow pages, your Manta, even Facebook is a directory like that. We look at what your competitor, their citation profile, and how do we beat them? Like if they have 30 citations, then we need to go get way more than that. Just to keep them playing catch up. So those three things are what you have to do to get your site to rank higher. You can also help getting your Google business profile pushed up in the search rankings, and we can help you with that as well. These are all things that you can do yourself. It just takes time, it takes effort, and a lot of business owners are just like, Paul, can you help us with this and get this done? So that's what we like to do. We like to help you grow. So I'll dive right in and just show you what you're looking at. I pulled up advanced carpet and janitorial, and just looking at the content on your website, you've got a little bit. You just need to have more content, and content that's a little bit targeted towards some of the keywords that people are searching for. You've got some blog posts on here, which is great, but really content needs to be just really refined, made so that it picks up the keywords that people are searching for. And just looking at who's ranking right now for carpet cleaning, Rogers AR. That's the search term that people type in. Looking at the map section, this is the Google Map Pack. This is where your Google business profile can really help you to push up, making sure it's got your name, address, and phone number that matches your website, that matches your social media. We've got a description on there that has keywords in it. It really talks about what your business does, and then making posts to this frequently, whether it be images of some jobs that you guys have done, and then also just posts generally about carpet cleaning, trying to educate the general public as well, as also something that you have to do to push your Google business profile up. What we're really trying to do is we're trying to get into one of these top three positions right here. The second thing that we try to do is get you in the organic ranking at the top. So right now for this carpet cleaning Rogers AR, you're ranking in like 8th position. This is you guys right here. And what I'm seeing is Yelp, Angie's, OxyFresh is up ahead of you. Steam is ahead of you. These guys are all easily beatable from what I see on the back end, and I'll show you some of that. Looking at your site real quick, this is a program called Ahrefs. It allows me to see how strong your website is. That's what this 11 is, and that's your URL ranking. And this is a 0.5 on your whole domain. So it's very weak from the standpoint that I look at. I'm looking at, you've got some backlinks. You've got those coming through 26 different domains. They're just not very strong. And you've got to increase your strength above what your competition is doing to push you up for those keywords. And you've got 140 keywords that are being found on your site. It's just, they're keywords that aren't really helping you a lot. So if you look at those, you've got one, carpet cleaning Rogers AR, which is great. You're in position 8. You've actually climbed some positions, which is good. And then you've got advanced carpet. It's a general term. It's not helping you at all. How to get slime out of your carpet. Again, that may or may not have somebody land on that from Northwest Arkansas. Carpet looks dirtier after cleaning. All of these keywords are just not what, you really want to be ranked for, except for, this one, carpet cleaning Bentonville AR. There's 40 searches a month. You're in position 21. So, you're way down on what used to be page 2 of Google, and you're just not going to get picked up for that. People aren't going to come. You got to get in the top 3. Again, Rogers Carpet Cleaning is another one. Carpet Cleaning Benton, Arkansas. You don't really need Benton, but Bentonville for sure. So I'm looking at what are the keywords? What is the volume? How difficult is it? This is a 12 on a difficulty scale. It's pretty difficult. I mean, it takes a little while just to outrank that for that. Doesn't mean it can't be done. It doesn't mean we don't go after that, but I'm trying to find what's the low-hanging fruit and what's your competitor doing. So looking at Steamer's website, again, it's really slick looking, definitely updated from where you guys are. They have some nice images on it, but they don't have nearly the amount of content that they need to have to really stay, anywhere near the top. So that's going to help me to say, those guys are beatable. Looking at their strength, they've got a 21 on the URL, 4.2 on the DR. Again, they've got some backlinks, probably some stronger backlinks coming in. I really dig in and figure out what these are that we need to be found for. Looking at another one, Stanley Steamer. I don't even know how this site is ranking. It's basically ranking off of their national stuff. They have no content at all on their page. It's Fayetteville, and it's picking up. This is their domain, so that's their national site that's providing a lot of that, and that URL is providing hardly anything. You've got a couple of backlinks. That's probably what's doing it, and they are getting found for some keywords, probably embedded in some images. Looking at basic, this is a not secure website. It's not going to get ranked very high, or it's easily going to be able to overtake them. They are getting found for a few keywords. Got, their stronger website on their domain than what you guys are now. So again, I'm not seeing anything that's saying like you shouldn't go after this, because it's definitely something that could bring you some more business. Now, looking at like how much business are we talking about? So I typed in the keywords, really did some research on this real quick. Carpet cleaning Fayetteville AR, cleaning services Fayetteville AR, carpet cleaning Rogers AR, wool rug cleaning Fayetteville, pet stain removal Fayetteville. These are, a pretty good amount of search, that's out there. There's 400 or 500 searches a month going on for carpet cleaning services in this area. Some of this will change over time, but in general, what this is telling me is, you need to go after something like this. There's 150 searches a month for carpet cleaning in Fayetteville. It's got an 8 KD, which means, it'll probably take about 9 months to get to the top of the Google search rankings for that, maybe a little quicker. But, these zeros down here, if you're doing wool rug cleaning, then, that's going to be something that you want to go after really, really well. And you've got restaurant cleaning services down here, 50 searches a month, a 1 on the keyword difficulty. That's what I like to see, is that low keyword difficulty. The next thing you want to do is your citations. You got to look at your competition, see what your citations are. Look at that. And if they have, 32, 33 citations, we want to add like 100 onto that. So list yours on 100 directories so that they're always playing catch up to you, and we're just trying to dominate the space. We add blogs and stuff like that every month. So we're adding new content to your website each month, just to try to get Google to say, hey, these guys are doing stuff. They're trying to be relevant. They're trying to educate the market, and they want to rank you high when you do that. So I appreciate you reaching out to me. I'd love to help you guys build your business online. There's definitely search out there going on for your services. Would love to help you guys build your business online, and you can reach me at 479-326-7899, or you can just reply back to the email.